Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you're all fine and taking good care of yourself. Are you at home nowadays? Okay, so are you enjoying your holidays? Okay, that's great. So, today we start our lesson with the circle time, and in the circle time, we will do lots of fun. So, first, I will tell you the sentence of the week. The sentence of the week is I have done my work. Yes, so you have to learn this sentence. Say with me. Yes, I have done my work. Yes, say it me one more time. I have done my work. Okay, when we use this sentence, we use this sentence when we complete our work. When you complete your work, you have to use this sentence. Yes, you have to use this sentence. Yes, I have done my work. When you finish your work, you have to use it. Okay, even at home, when your mama has given you any work and you complete that work or task, so you have to say this to your mom, that mama, I have done this, I have done that. Okay,